Okay, children, let us welcome to audio visual mathematics class. So, this is your continuation of block 4. We are under block 4. So, dividing numbers. Block 4 dividing numbers. Under that, we have completed lesson 1. Now we should start lesson number 2, that is dividing without a reminder. Children, meaning of without a reminder means you will not get a reminder after dividing. After dividing, you will not get any reminder. Reminder will be 0 in this lesson. In this lesson, we are dividing such a numbers that after division, you will get remainder as 0. That is the meaning of dividing without a reminder. You will get a 0 as a reminder. That is why the name of the lesson is dividing without a reminder. So see children, I have wrote 2 examples here on the board. So here one is 4356 divided by 12. So 4356 is called dividend and the number 12 is called divisor. So before to start division, you must know the steps how to divide. You should know the steps. So first step is write down this in your convenient way. 4356 divided by 12. Some will write quotient in this place and some of we will write the quotient by drawing a line and here. It depends on according to your convenient. Okay, right. Now, dividend 4356 and divisor is 12. So first we should compare. In the first step is to compare leftmost digit of the dividend. We should compare leftmost digit of the dividend. Leftmost digit is 4 here, children. So after selecting leftmost digit of the dividend, this we should compare with the divisor. So what is happening here is 4 is the leftmost digit of the dividend is less than the divisor. If 4 is less than the divisor, we cannot divide. It is not possible to divide. Always dividend should be more than divisor. Always dividend should be more than the divisor. So first you should select leftmost digit and compare with the divisor. If dividend is smaller than the divisor, then we should select 2 digits of dividend. Then we should select 2 digits of leftmost 2 digits of dividend. Now, dividend is greater than divisor. Here we can divide, children. So this is the first step. So now you divide by using 12s table. So 12 3s are 36. I have taken 12 3s are 36. The reason is you should if you want, before doing the division, if you want, you can prepare a table. See here, children, 48 will be more here. I said it should be less. This number should be less. So lesser than 48 will be 36. So after deciding 12 3s are 36, now you should subtract. So 43 minus 36. Take 1 here, 13. So 13 minus 6 is 7. 1 borrow is taken, 13. 13 minus 6. Now it is 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. After this, children, now steps will repeat. We should take next digit. We should take next digit from the dividend. Now it is 75. After getting 75, we should check here where the 75 and less than 75 will get. See here, children, if I take 84, it will be more than the 75. So we should select 72. So how much are 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 12, 6 are 72. Again subtract 5 minus 2 is 3. Take next number 36. Look at here, children, 36 where it we will get? Again here 12 3s are 36. That's what I said, without remainder you will find the division here without remainder 0. So here, children, this is the quotient 363, remainder 0. So in your worksheet and in your lesson, it is asked to verify your answer. So we can verify our answer whether we got this answer correct or not. We can verify by using a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So dividend is which one, children? This is 4356. Which is a divisor? Divisor is 12. Into quotient is what? 363. See, if we get same answer both sides, then we are correct. So to get both sides, one side is already we got. We should keep it as it is. Only we should multiply this one. That is 363 into 12. We should multiply 363 into 12. So after multiplication, what you will get? 12 3 is 36, 12 6 is 72 plus 3 75, carry 7, 12 3 is 36 plus 7 is 43. Children, see, I got same answer both side, hence verified. Means, children, here we can verify whether whatever answer we got is correct or not by using this formula. So let us go with the one more example. Children, let us continue with this example. 9126 divided by 26. So to do this division divided by 26, we should prepare 26 the table. Any division you do, numbers may be big. In your lesson, numbers are big to divide. So prepare table first, then start dividing. I have already prepared the table. Like this, you prepare table. So first step is what? First step is to compare leftmost digit of the dividend. 9. We can't do. 9 is less than 26. Next, compare one more digit. 91. Okay, 91 is greater than 26. So we should select 91. First, in the first step, 91, where you will get? 104 will 3s are. So 26 3s are 78. 26 3s are 78. Subtract, children. 11 minus 8 is 3. So it is 8 now. 1. 13. Take next step. Next number 2. 132 now. So 26 the table you observe where you will get 132. I will get 132 here. So 26 5s are 130. 2 0 0 after subtraction. Take this 6. So 26 1s are 26. See, children, like this will get. We can verify this. Definitely we can verify. So what is your dividend? 9126. What is your divisor? 26. What is your quotient? 351. We should multiply 351 into 26. You do yourself, children, this one. 351 into 26 if you do, definitely you will get 9126 only you will get. After doing multiplication, definitely you will get 9126. Both are equal. Then we can say that whatever the answer we got, it is correct. Okay.